Government decides to repeal Article 370 of Indian Constitution, which grants special status to Jammu and Kashmir, state bifurcated into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West sends Junior Administrator of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Heroism Robinson, to jail. Quiremban market women vendors erupt into intense agitation over ban on entry and non-disclosure of the court proceedings when accused Paige Robinson was produced. And Revenue Minister Karam Shyam says land record computerization of revenue villages of 6 valley districts will be completed within this year. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Government today announced repealing Article 370, which grants special status to Jammu and Kashmir. A resolution in this regard was moved in the Rajya Sabha by Union Home Minister Amit Shah amidst opposition uproar in the upper house. The government has also decided to bifurcate the state into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir, which will have a legislature, and Ladakh, which will be without a legislature. Amit Shah's announcement was immediately followed by massive uproar in the upper house, with opposition MPs protesting in the wall of the house. Justifying the move to repeal of Article 370, Amit Shah said the people of Jammu and Kashmir are not getting any benefits due to it and the politicians are allowing corruption to flourish. He asserted that Article 370 never helped Jammu and Kashmir join India and said Jammu and Kashmir was already a part of India much before Article 370. The Union Home Minister said Article 370 was accepted with the idea that it will eventually be removed, but no political party had the will to do it. Back in the valley, 3 of Jammu and Kashmir's most prominent politicians, Mehbooba Mufti, Omar Abdullah and Sajjad Lone, are under house arrest amid a massive security built up in the state. Internet services and mobile services have been suspended in several places and all public gatherings are banned in Srinagar district as Session 144 was imposed from midnight. Centre has asked states and union territories to keep security forces vigilant after decisions relating to Jammu and Kashmir. Junior Administrator of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Heroism Robinson, who was arrested in connection with the recent suspicious death of a girl student in this school hostel room, was produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West today. The court has remanded him in judicial custody. A police team led by Imphal West District SP Meghachandra kept a strict vigil at the court complex to avoid any untoward incident. It may be mentioned that P.H. Robinson was arrested by State Police Special Investigation Team SIT on charges of negligence in preventing the incident as junior administrator of the school. Meanwhile, women vendors of Quiremban market erupted into intense agitation over ban on entry and non-disclosure of the court's proceedings when P.H. Robinson was produced today. Massive Imphal West police personnel resorted to firing tear gas shells to disperse the agitators, in which 3 women sustained injuries. Police is keeping a strict vigil to avoid any unwanted incident further. JAC against the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School held a public meeting at Thangmai Bantao ground today. Leaders and representatives of various student organizations took part in the meet. Attendees demanded justice for the deceased girl student and to punish miscreants responsible for her death. Two-day regional conference on digital land records modernization program organized by state and central governments for the northeast states kicked off at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Speaking at the event, Revenue Minister Karam Shyam asserted that the land record computerization of Revenue Village of 6 valley districts will be completed within this year. He urged the hilly inhabitants for their cooperation in maintaining land record of the hill regions, stating that land record computerization for the revenue villages is nearly 75.57% completed. The minister stated that out of 602 survey villages, land computerization of 473 villages is completed. The minister disclosed that centre has approved 1,014.3 lakh rupees to facilitate land computerization in Manipur, including fund for construction of modern record room of 35 tehsil. Taking part in the event, Secretary of Department of Land Resources, Government of India, Rolkumlian Burrell stated that necessary decisions will be held to determine the progress of land record computerization and efforts will be made to ease the inconveniences associated with the process.
Remaining villages will also be computerized in this year. Laksa Patha, an online application, has been developed and uploaded by NIC Manipur. Now, land record can be easily accessed by the landowner through this application. The National Generic Document Registration System is officially launched in the office of the Sub-Register Vishnu. Will be extended in the Sub-Register Office of Valley District soon. Manipur, being a small state with a limited resource, may find it difficult to implement the project effectively on the reimbursement basis. Central government may consider to release the fund in a simpler way.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam has asserted that preserving one's ancestral culture and tradition in this fast-paced world is an essential part of human civilization. Addressing the gathering at the 9th Foundation Day celebration of Southeast Asia Cultural Organization, CACO at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound today, Minister Karam Shyam stated that there is threat of minor communities being engulfed by major communities in a small state like Manipur, which is populated by around 28 lakh. He also called upon to bring together all the Manipuri diasporas and urged the present generation to learn from past mistakes to redefine history. Karam Shyam also lamented that though there are many individuals and organizations eager to bring development and prosperity, there is lack of unity in the state. He asserted that society will prosper only when there is no disunity and differences. Karam Shyam lauded the roles of CACO in preserving the culture and traditions of Maitai community. He expressed contentment at revivalism of Sanamahism among the Maitai community. CACO President K. Achobi Kuman and eminent leaders of various organizations attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ modern society modern ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯥꯠ ꯙꯔꯃ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ human civilization-ꯅꯦꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ identity ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯖꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯅ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ convincing ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯗꯤ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 10 ꯀꯨꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯟ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ culture ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯙꯔꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯛ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯈꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯐꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ.
Commerce Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit led people in planting various tree saplings at the complex of Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Laboi Khongnangkhong today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Biswajit stressed the need for all government departments, entrepreneurs and NGOs of the state to cooperate. Forest Department in making Manipur green in the wake of global warming and climate change. He stated that the Commerce Industries Department and MSME carried out the tree plantation drive following the instruction of Union Minister Nitin Gadkari for the same. Commerce Industries Principal Secretary Director and top officials took part in the drive.
Trees mean water. Water means bread. Bread is life. Harami. Adana akogi marakta akogi miyam gi marakta akogi lady basi yamna popularize oinaba aduga ugi kanaba adu ugi nungsi basi akogi marakta fil tawre harka damasi regularly akoi chathana bagi damakta u amakak na hona bada akoi akana hona bada u si kya thagada ge habigi vocal consciousness lerek na bagi pandam galona na akoi na pakalakwa program amani adu akoi na ngasi maru oina kari gi damakta MSME gi amadi industry commerce and industry ki department yaure ino haibasi forest and environment khaktana man pakapada sunatna akoi mayam gi involvement aduga tongan tongan ba department sing gi involvement aduga manipur gi amadi india gi leriba mayam sigi phanaba khonara ko matamda akoi punamak involvement changi aduga
Hianglam MLA Dr. Wairade Shyam presented gifts to Elangban Valentina, the girl who inconsolably cried over the loss of trees which she has planted. It may be mentioned that a heartbreaking video of Valentina crying over her lost trees went viral recently on social media. Her trees were cut down while dredging Maramba Maral River, which flows in front of the minor girl's residence. A gulmohor and a neem tree planted by the minor girl were cut down during the dredging works using an excavator initiated by Hianglam Zilla. Many individuals and officials of the relevant department had consoled a heartbroken child by presenting her various tree saplings. Speaking to media at his quarter in Babupara today, Radheshyam stressed on the need to plant more and more trees by everyone to deal with global warming. Meanwhile, tree saplings were also planted at Amutombi Divine Life School in Hianglam, where Valentina studies.
My wakalon se kalaga ngasi malem de lariba mi poem khudimangna na an khaktana ugu thabiba madubu makhong sombiba ising saibidana nomulta nomudi makung phaba pambi ma oina honabada belantana na khwaidai maru oiba khudam am oirgani man soidagi luchingbi am oirgani habse madu khala chawthoksedana belantana boina icham chama felicitation ama ngasi pijaban upambi do leitrabasu mana upambi amba thabagi kanaba pamjabadri miyam khubta loina sandokno hore mag manupi masama hyanglam kendada agi kendada pombase hyanglam kenda punamaki laibak phabani agi su laibak phabni chakthok chaningi chakthok su phamne se ai haijaningi.
Young voluntary organization YVO Wankai distributed 2,000 tree saplings of tree bean, olives and Mahahai on the occasion of its 40th Foundation Day today. YVO members distributed the tree saplings provided by the Urban Division of Forest Department to people residing around the club and passers-by. District Administration Chandal along with District Police Chandal under Jal Sakti Abhiyan also organized a tree plantation drive at new Khongchol areas in this district today. SP of Chandal District Police and Madhunimai, ASP of Chandal District Police, Syed Abdul Samad and OC Suraj took part in the drive. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Save Loktak Know Your Lake Cleanliness campaign. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Thanga Constituency Tourism Organization organized a cleanliness campaign on the theme Save Loktak, Know Our Lake at Thanga today. Around 80 kg of plastic materials were collected and properly disposed of. It may be stated that the Good Karma Foundation Thanga initiated the campaign since July 8. Volunteers of the campaign also expressed deepest condolence over the recent suspicious death of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student. Manipur State Pensioners Union carried out protest demonstration condemning the failure of the authorities concerned to stick to their earlier agreement with regards to the provision under 7th Pay Commission for pensioners under the state government. Many aged pensioners took part in the sit-in stage at Singchamai today. Speaking to media, Union President Huitrom Yaima stated that the union made repeated pleas to the authorities concerned to provide benefits under 7th Pay Commission to pensioners of the state as it is given to the pensioners under the centre government. He claimed that the state government and pensioners even signed an MOU on the same on June 8 last year. However, the government failed to act on the contents of the MOU in its latest order. Yaima also expressed disappointment that their repeated pleas to increase medical allowance for pensioners from 300 rupees is left unfulfilled till date.
June tarik nipanda 2018 ki kare aham close kare hagi pensioners amuso employees sing 7 pay gi khudong chaba sing benefit sing loina chap chana phangangani na order ma sign tono khreba adugumba sign tono ki numit adudagi akhoi gi strike ado tokibne agitation tokibne handa ikon kona government choti order ma thorba se yamna masidi maning mangona boni thoreba hana pigin edu pidre aduga akhoina pay fixation formula ma moina 2016 mamangi pensioner singdi central government gi pensioner singna phangyedu chamana pine haibani adubu thorokba matamdadi makhoina formula du apply tobiraktreba.
All Manipur Surrender Welfare Association appealed to the state government to provide surrenderies with necessary assistance at the earliest. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association President Mohammad Manao asserted that the number of surrenderies since 2010 has increased to a huge number. He expressed disappointment that government failed to provide any welfare schemes announced for them. Manao appealed to sanction the promised schemes and to give them suitable jobs.
Santi halaba gangugi tangdu laitaba punsima phangapagi damakta sarkan matik chana makhogi pham thongba haksing pibigani haina lauthopi graba thabu ingkhang de chingba hapigani haina lawbi graba cabinet ta assembly da khabar da sarkarna sagai sati jo hapa kayama yaw graba ikhon chu pifam tokba pibiu haina agoi selendari kangu de jo hapi graba adum laba wakholonda Santi pamaga tumina leiba akhoi si sarkar degi pifam tokpa haksi pibio akhoi si hingbagi the changdaba machaki sarkarna akhoi khitang yingchanbiu.
Myra Paibis of Lamlongai Mamang Laikai staged a protest demonstration today against the gunshot by unknown miscreants at the residence of social worker Asoibam Deben in Mantri Pukri, Lamlongai last night. Taking part in the protest meet staged at Lamlongai Mamang Laikai Community Hall, one protester, Chabungbam Yaima, condemned the incident which has created fear, psychosis and panic to the people in the area. He appealed to hold dialogues in case of any misunderstandings instead of such misconduct.
Tengarang nungdang pung mapan taba matamda asoibam debel haisigi yungi bharada leiba angangjing lai paribum phamsida nongmai round ahum mari ra kapsalakpa adude loi mi paina na mayam se loi senthong na khon tawri sumba awaba nungai tabase kanana tawbiri bano kanana nungai taba kari leibagi no madusu maram jana phongtok piro aduga suguma thabak se amona su yumlakta mi leiba maphamda nongmai kapsanba bom thamjama sumba je tawbiga no na khoi matungda amona tawbidana baine haijari tengarang nungdang pung.
Executive Engineer of the Laithabi Barrage Division 2 under the Water Resources Department, Imtiaz Khan asserted that there were no errors in tunnel construction at Patlo Maningching as a part of the right main canal of the Laithabi Barrage project. But he accepted that damaged portion of the canal at Patlo Maning needs immediate attention. Acting on the recent claim by Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee KDC that the main right canal of the Laithabi Barrage is not functioning properly due to faulty construction, Engineer Imtiaz Khan inspected the tunnel along with committee members today. He assured that relevant authorities have been apprised and measures are in place to repair the around 500 meter suppressed portions of the canal. Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee thanked the relevant authorities and appealed to provide water in the canal as soon as possible.
अदुगा केनेल काई सी 3.5 ता काई बने अदुगा केनेल सी की स्वाई सिदा ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯠ 3ꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯅ ꯅꯦꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠ 3 ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯞ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯇꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ
ꯃꯦꯅꯥꯠ ꯀꯦꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯏꯝꯇꯤꯌꯥꯁꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯨꯊꯕꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯏꯐꯩꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯅꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯅꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯊꯕꯤ ꯀꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯕꯦꯔꯦꯖꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯛꯄꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯛꯄꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ.
Deputy General Manager of Keystone Infra Private Limited, W. Kunjikeshwar, assured of measures to repair the damaged portion of the right main canal at the earliest.
Hanak nauna feeling tawrga akhuna thuna structure je loina ba inauguration ki program na deila when tawbam ta laibak sina settle tawbam mara yawdabadagi ising tharakpa matamda ising na settle tawge no gi wing walda khara soy ngam khara yawre adubu abogi makai dagi di masi adum thuna semin na ba ko huji tayari tawna lejare.
Imphal Municipal Corporation (IMC) organized an awareness program on 100 Days Impact Initiative Swastha SHG Parivar at GM Hall, Imphal today. The program aimed to raise awareness on Chief Minister Gehaksel Gitingbang and Ayushman Bharat schemes to provide self-help groups under IMC. Mahot Commissioner M. Joy handed over a total loan amount of 6,90,000 rupees to 69 self-help groups. Speaking on the occasion, M. Joy stated that there are 600 self-help groups under IMC. He assured that Manipur State Cooperative Bank provides loan to self-help groups holding proper documents.
Ministry ki magi pandam di hariba social welfare ki health department ki team sing ase conversion wena punjal laga self group ta leriba members sing khudimak asi haksang phana na de ekna leina bogi pandam ji health checkup si up to under 2nd October 2019 ki 2nd October bawda member khudimak sing asi health checkup to bogi pandam ne aduna mayam punamak asi phangnabu na bada koi municipality da leriba official sing staff sing punamuna su yamna thawai yauna punamak sing khusam na chaminaba misan.
Ruda Academy, Thaubal, Uwangmataba held its 3rd Science and Art and Crafts Mela 2019 at the school campus today. The fair was held on the theme Sustainable Innovative Science, Mathematics and Our Environment. Speaking at the event, Principal of the school, N.G. Surjit, stated that fair aimed to instill scientific temper among the students. Science models made by students of the school were showcased in over 30 stalls. Students' Union of Bishnupur Higher Secondary School in a press release strongly condemned the misallocation of marks in Class 10 examinations conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSIM. The press release also condemned the state government for keeping the inquiry committee's report on misallocation of marks in 2018 HSL's examination conducted by BOSIM behind curtains till date. To training program on livestock and poultry rearing kicked off at Thanga Ngaram Lairinbi Community Hall today. Bharat Vikas Parishad Thanga organized a program sponsored by Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Directorate under Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Speaking at the event, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Directorate, Dr. Haubijam Chaupa stated that initiatives are underway to provide ducklings to individuals from below poverty line families and unemployed youths of Bishnupur district. He urged interested individuals to visit the Directorate office to avail the benefit. Dr. Chaupa asserted that the Directorate, though low budget office, has been facilitating poultry rearing to many BPL beneficiaries in both hills and valley to boost their income. He maintained that the Directorate also provides time-to-time trainings on poultry rearing using scientific method and organizes medical camps for livestock.
ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯕꯤꯀꯥꯁ ꯄꯔꯤꯁꯠꯀ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯁꯔꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒꯦ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯂꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯁꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯊꯥꯡꯒ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 1ꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯄꯦꯟꯁꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯕ꯭ꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯂꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯥꯇꯤꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯁꯪꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ.
One day Mao Market season sale will be opened at the grounds of Social Upliftment Organization SUO at Singjamai Top Laikai tomorrow. Speaking to media at the ground today, SUO Joint Secretary Bogendro Kakchingtabam stated that the organization is organizing the sale in collaboration with Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee to enhance the ties between hills and valley inhabitants. Attending the press meet, Vice Chairman of Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee, Luwang Chachingkai, stated that number of Mao vendors coming to sell their fresh vegetable products at Mao Market at Lumphill Supermarket is decreasing as the market is not ideally located.
Maudagi kilometer Imphal Bauda Samaga Taruk Sida Lakum Matamda Lambida Police Amadi Atopa Community Sina disturbance Piba Karigi Sang Yautaba Tex Aduadana Tobaduma Yaringi Madu Toktanaba Atotoba community singi Magida Ayana committee Magadi Tamjari Maduma Topiganu Waduna Loinana Akoi Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee na Sinjari Visidi Singmi Amasung Tami Anigi Nushinabagi Taingi Nushinabagi Lipulado Marakta Katang Gip Labadona Taurubado Amuana Samjanana Baidamuta Aduma Laujiba Kuntangni.
Officiating Commandant of 182 Battalion BSF Thokchom Binod Singh handed over a toilet complex consisting of 2 blocks to villagers of Napit, Bali today. The toilet complex was constructed by 182 Battalion BSF under its Civic Action Program 2019-2020. Pradhan and Panchayat members of the village attended the event. Ningol Lup Tintha, Thoubal district, in a press release announces its formation to fight crimes against women. City police in a press release informed that an unidentified man appearing to be of Muslim origin, aged around 53, who was found unconscious in front of BIP Gallery, Imphal Polo Ground around 1:30 p.m. on August 2nd, breathed his last utterance. City police notified that the body will be disposed of as per rules if no one claims the body at the earliest. Zila Parishad member of 14 Uchekon Nongchup Seram Nekin inaugurated Players Change Room at SWC ground, Khongman, built under the funding of State Finance Commission Award 2018-19 Zila Parishad share today. Speaking in the inaugural event organized by Social Worker Congress SWC, Khongman Seram Nekin stated that a change room was constructed to facilitate players of SWC club who have been taking major roles in football arena of the state. Executive Engineer of Imphal East Zila Parishad, L. Premchand Extension Officer of Imphal East Zila Parishad, T. Imocha, and President of SWC Club, P. Badhan, attended the program.
Social Workers Congress ki playground si am important oiba khoi kendra gi damta di sida mayai sabuksu oiraga tongan ba mafam dagi players sing si laga practice tobo khotpa adagi amu tournament gumba torok matamda scenes room maya mathau ta ba haitare phi hongdong jin toba aduna khoina aina jila paisat ki handaki state finance commission gi fund dagi akhoi ji fund jam pik pane fund dagi toraga stage ta nupi ge nupa ge room mani construction toraga mayamda
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Government decides to repeal Article 370 of Indian Constitution, which grants special status to Jammu and Kashmir. State bifurcated into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West sends Junior Administrator of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Hairoi Jim Robinson, to jail. Wairamban Market women bandits erupt into intense agitation over ban on entry and non-disclosure of the court's proceedings when accused Paige Robinson was produced. And Revenue Minister Karam Shyam says land record computerization of revenue villages of 6 Valley districts will be completed within this year.